Thank you for checking out this video. Today we're going to talk about how easy it is to create a simple professional website for your auto repair business using Mighty Sites. So all you need to do is click here on Start Free Trial, or you can scroll down and find your business type here and click in to get started. Now I'm going to go into the back end of the system because I've already got an account signed up. And you'll notice I'll see the exact same thing that you would see on the website as you try to go through the sign up process. So I click right here on automotive. I'm going to click on my auto repair business because that's the type of business website I'm trying to build. I'm going to put in my business name and click continue. Mighty Sites is going to automatically find my business information. If I want to add my email or any information, I can there. If I want to update my hours, it's really easy to do so right here. If all of that looks good, I just click on looks good next, and Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple, professional, mobile, responsive business website for my auto repair business. Now, this is now super easy for me to edit and make updates to this website so I can launch it as the website for my business. All I need to do is click here on activate this site. I'll click on activate. It'll ask me for my credit card. It's only $9 a month to get started. And then if I want to make any updates to my site, all I need to do is click on update, and I can open up any section, change my name, add my logo, update the menu items. If I want to add my social media links, I can click here to just add social media links, update my contact information. If I want to change out the images or pictures or descriptions, it's as easy as clicking to edit the text or uploading a new photo, just clicking save, and I'm done. As soon as the website looks the way I want it to and it's all ready, I just click here on stop editing and go to my site dashboard, connect my domain, and I can launch my brand new website. As simple and easy as that.